Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie T. For those who don't know me, and for those who do, thank you for joining the wig review. Today's review is sponsored by Wig Types. Thank you, Wig Types, for sending over this unit review for my audience. So without further ado, go ahead and watch me install the wig, and then come back and I'll give you my 2% of whether you should be in this video. Let's go.
Music sounds better dancing even when I'm alone. I lost the beat, had to find it all on my own. If you're not gonna let me live, gotta let it go. Tired of life in the lights, wanna lose control, lose control. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. I'm making technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I'm making technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I've been getting better singing on cloudy days. Guess to find the rainbow, gotta go through the rain. If it's not gonna bring me up, gotta go up, up and away. Tired of life in gray, wanna fill up the space, fill up the space. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. I'm making technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I'm making technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I can feel it taking over, moving closer back to me. I'm making technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. No more tears wash me away. I'm remembering who I was, 'cause I'm back in techno. I'm back in technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I'm back in technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I can feel it taking over. You're moving closer back to me. I'm back in technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I'm back in techno, I'm back in color, color. I'm back in techno, I'm back in color. I'm back in techno, I'm back in color, color. Back to me. Music sounds better dancing even when I'm alone. I lost the beat, had to find it all on my own. If you're not gonna let me live, gotta let it go. Tired of life in the lights, wanna lose control, lose control. All my
So now after you install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. The wig that I have is Butta Unit 24 in the color Balayage Mocha. This is a this unit has virtually undetectable HD lace. It is 350 degrees heat safe. It does come with 3 combs, one on the side, one on the side, one on the back, as well as adjustable straps. It does have a 5-inch deep hand-tie parting area. It blends well with most skin tones. The lace is a virtually undetectable HD lace. It has a natural density hairline. It is pre-plucked with baby hair. So this is the unit, and she getting a 10. she getting a thin. I love this unit. It's a great put on a go unit. Is a beginner friendly unit. All you gotta do is cut the lace. But if you're not comfortable cutting the lace while it's on, I suggest you cut it while it's off your head and then put it on, because you don't want to be cutting through your unit, baby. Don't do that. But this is a great summer unit. You put it on and you're ready to go once you cut the lace. I did add some baby hairs, but I did not lay the unit down, so that's how easy it is. It does have a bit of flyaways, but nothing excessive. It doesn't tangle and it doesn't shed as far as recording. So if you got to end of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and I see you the next week. Bye guys.